Visitors can rate their chats with a thumbs up or down right in the widget, and those ratings are one of the most useful signals you have for improving your AI agent's responses. To review them, head to your inbox and select Chats. Add a filter where the agent is your AI agent, which brings up all of its conversations. Then filter by rating and start with the negative ones. Click through those chats and look for the moments where your agent struggled, a question it couldn't answer, an answer that missed the mark, or information that's out of date. Once you've spotted the gap, fixing it is straightforward. Update your agent's knowledge. Depending on what's missing, that might mean adding an FAQ, updating a document or your website content, adjusting a shortcut, or adding the detail as plain text. Whichever source fits, add the information, save it, and your agent will handle that question properly next time. Make this a regular habit, reviewing your rated chats and topping up your agent's knowledge, and its performance will keep improving over time. For more assistance, visit the Talk.to Academy or book a call with an AI Assist specialist today.